Hi everyone! Today we will show you how to fix abnormal printhead movement. When this issue occurs, you may notice the following symptoms. The printhead does not move according to commands, does not move during printing, or quickly moves to the left side and then stops. First, turn off the printer. Next, check the anti-collision tabs on both sides to make sure they are not pressed against the sensors. If they're touching or you are unsure, gently move them away from the sensors. Then, manually move the printhead to the center or the left side of the platform. After that, turn the printer back on and observe the printhead status. Make sure the printhead can move left and right normally and return to the home position automatically. The ink stack can move down and up properly. The bottom of the printhead is fully aligned and is sealed with the ink stack. Next, use the left and right movement buttons on the touchscreen to confirm that the printhead moves normally. After completing these checks, run a cleaning cycle and print a nozzle check pattern again. If no ink is printed at all, restart the software and try again. If there are broken lines, run another cleaning cycle. Finally, check the position of the encoder stripe. It should be centered within the sensor, not touching the inner side and not completely outside. If the issue still persists after all these steps, please contact our customer support team for further assistance.